Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create some faces that you can use on the Bobble Head videos. So the first thing you want to do is create a new project, and I like to go ahead and select the square resolution so that we can create a nice kind of face size. And what I want to do now is go and grab my images. So if you've got some images of some people you want to use in the video, just simply drag and drop them into your folder, or you can click on import and grab them from your computer. I'm going to go ahead and just select a face from some stock image over here. So I'm going to go grab this one here and just import it. Okay, great. So the next thing you want to do is just drag it onto the canvas, and I might scale it up slightly and just bring it down. So you want, yeah, about that kind of size looks good. And the next thing we want to do is select the pen tool. So with the pen tool, we're going to go ahead and create the mask of the face, and then we're going to mask this image. So select the pen tool. You can use the roller on your mouse to zoom in, or you can go ahead also over here and zoom in and out like so. And with the pen tool selected, simply click on your image like this, and you simply want to just go around the outside of the head. And it doesn't have to be perfect. You can kind of do this roughly. Often it looks better when it's not too perfect, because these kind of videos are quite fun, and this kind of style looks good, just nice and rough. So you can go around like so. To make your points rounded, simply click and drag, and that creates this nice curved point. So you can click and drag, and most of the points that I do, I just simply click and drag to have a nice roundedness to the actual mask. So I'm just going to go around like so. Also over here, you'll be able to see we've got some different types of options, so you can see how you can adjust the points, round the points, and things like that. So I'm going to quickly go around and just connect this up. Okay, and then the last one, you're going to simply select the starting point to connect your shape. All right, so now we've got our mask over here. And what I want to do, I'll just show you if I bring up this color like so, you can see the shape of the mask. It's just a shape. And what we want to do is mask it with the image behind. So simply drag over both of them like so, or you can simply click on this one, hold down shift and click the next one, and then right click, mask. And you have to see now that the shape that we created is basically masking the image behind it. So you also notice, if you zoom in a bit closer, that we currently have a border on here, and we want to remove that. So go to border and bring it down to 0, and you've got your face like so. Now if you want to make adjustments to the mask, simply double click on the image, and you'll be able to see we've got these dotted lines over here. And then what you want to do is just double click on the dotted lines, and you'll be able to see you can go ahead and adjust the points again. You can click on the point over here to add extra points, and you can manually adjust them, or you can shift and click to delete the point as well. Cool, so now I've got my image looking quite good. What I want to do is basically save this to my library. So over here in my folders, you'll be able to see I've got a whole bunch of folders that I use for a lot of my projects. And what you want to do is go ahead and click on add folder, and you want to do it in the global library, so that when you save these images, they're always accessible over here. And what you want to do is rename this and call this one faces or bobble heads or something like that. So now that I've got this open, what I'm going to do is go ahead and save this over here. So to do that, simply right click on the image, and you'll be able to see I've got an option which says take snapshot. So make sure you're on the latest version, because this has this update, and click on take snapshot, and you'll be able to see now that if I just delete this, we've got our image over here, and this is just an image, so it no longer has that mask on it. It's just a nice image that you can use to replace the heads on the Bobble Head characters. So that's how you can go ahead and create a snapshot and your heads, and go ahead and do that, add as many as you like over here, and save in your global folder so you don't have to recreate each of the faces. And then go on to the next video, and I'm going to show you how to start creating those nice animations with the bobble heads.